In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page using HubSpot. Let's get started by opening up HubSpot and making sure you're logged into your account. You want to be on the main dashboard where you have access to all your tools and features. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials now. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen. You're going to see a menu there. Click on Content. It's an important section because it brings together all the assets you can create and manage within HubSpot. Under Content, you'll find landing pages. Click on that to get to the next crucial part of our tutorial today. Landing pages have a unique place in the world of digital marketing. They're designed with one purpose: to guide your visitors toward a clear, specific goal. This could be anything from filling out a form to downloading a guide, or even signing up for a service. Think of it as a singular journey for your user without any distractions that usually clutter a regular web page. A well-crafted landing page has focused content and a strong call to action, or CTA, which is vital for capturing leads or driving conversions. Therefore, it's important to focus on its structure and what you want it to achieve. Once you're on the Landing Pages tab, you'll find a button labeled Create. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Create button to begin your journey of crafting a new landing page. Here, HubSpot provides you with various templates, and all you need to do is choose one that aligns best with your goals and brand aesthetic. You have the flexibility to pick a template that caters to the message you want to communicate. Select one you prefer, keeping in mind that it should resonate well with your audience and encourage action. And there you have it. Using HubSpot, you've learned how to navigate through the platform to create a landing page efficiently. It's quite a straightforward process, especially when you have your goals clear from the outset. With a keen eye on detail and purpose, this tool can be incredibly useful in enhancing your marketing strategy. Don't forget to tailor your content and design to guide your visitors seamlessly to the action you want them to take. With HubSpot's intuitive interface, you're equipped to craft landing pages tailored to your specific campaigns, helping you capture leads, conversions, or whatever your end goal might be. Just remember that each landing page should be a reflection of your marketing objectives, complete with streamlined content, an engaging design, and a clear call to action. Keep tweaking and testing your pages to keep improving upon your results. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!